Hyundai vehicles are equipped with a headlight leveling device. Using this, the headlight beam level can be adjusted. This switch can be found on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. This adjustment should be made depending on the number of passengers and the loading weight in the trunk. The higher the number of the switch position, the lower the headlight beam level will be. Always keep the headlight beam at the proper leveling position, or headlights may dazzle other road users. Displayed on the screen are examples of proper switch settings. In some Hyundai vehicles, the brightness of the instrument panel can be adjusted by pressing the upper or lower part of the illumination control button. Using this, the interior switch illumination intensity is also adjusted. For this, the ignition must be in the on position.